more.
How's he looking?
Dead? Oh, he looks dead.
Supposedly it was the anesthesia. And you're supposed to say peaceful?
Okay, well, in that case, he's peaceful. And dead. This is stupid.
It's what he wanted.
How do you...
Oh, Jake. Charles, get over here now.
What?
Look at him.
I've seen him sleep before, Gloria.
It is about the respect we give, the respect we owe, and he's not sleeping. Sherry. He looks so alive, doesn't he, sweetie? Eternal rest.
Mom, this is so weird.
This isn't weird.
Yeah, I don't get this whole open casket thing. It's so creepy.
You sound like your father. This is the circle of life.
What? Hey, Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata is not the circle of life. Hakuna Matata means no worries for the rest of your days. God, you just...
Perfect. His worries are over, as if he had any, which I doubt.
We need some respect here. Jake is dead.
Yeah, I got it. Any food?
Oh, is that all you ever think of?
Actually, I'm with Zach on this one.
God! The both of you? Seriously?
What? I thought we ordered food, too. Excuse me.
I believe a tray was ordered. Would you like us to bring it in now? Terry?
There will be no eating in here. No eating while the casket is open.
There. Done. Terry, is it?
Yes, sir.
Can you get us that tray now, Terry?
Stay! There. No eating. Got it?
Hey, what would Jake do?
Charles, that is not the point. This is a respect thing. We're in his presence.
How about you get us that tray, leave it outside in the lobby part. There.
I'm with my son, Trey, there.
No food! No food!
Get the damn tray! Jake!
He must have heard the word food. Oh, Jackie.